Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Just finished breakfast. It's somewhat early in the morning at the Caribbean beach. So today, we're gonna go to the Magic Kingdom. The Skyliners, they're not quite open yet today. It's our building here. I think we're staying in Jamaica. We got a corner room that's really nice. I'll have to show some of it later. Tim Tracker fans out there. Alright, we have made it to the Magic Kingdom. Just got through temperature and bag check, so we are about to go through. Alright, we are in the Magic Kingdom. I'll be having some of that. Got it? We're in the Magic Kingdom, y'all.
Just a few reminders. Face coverings must only cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times, except when actively eating or drinking while stationary. Guests who do not comply will be asked to leave. Clean your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
So there it is, folks, the new castle. Hey, John, I missed it. We are about to enter Adventureland. That is our target for today.
One time when I was going fishing, I spotted over a rabbit queen that lived in I hear tales of rabbits leaving this brown patch.
Yeah, that's not so bad.
Oh no! Go.
Oh, yes.
Where me and Dad got stuck.
Really?
So we can see all the
Go down there. Slip and falls. Here we go. Oh, God.
How do you do? And you have it back. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. How do you do? I know you. Now's my chance to set a training room. Time to get moving along. Chop a bit, rabbit, you'll run out of breath. Oh, don't you sit back, getting cold, Miss Hair.
Rabbit sounds a little bit like Wacko Warner to catch a rabbit. Red fox. Go to the laughing place. Oh my Lord, that was unexpected. Folks, I lost my hat. It's gone. That's a train track up there.
The brown patch is where I'm headed.
This theming here in the Haunted Mansion is a spider web. Look, fancy. I was looking for a headstone for Jay Thaddeus tomb, but I couldn't find it. That was all this big tournament. To get on Big Thunder Mountain. Space, but you come over here and see overstripping. There's the crane with a whole bunch on it. Yeah, this
Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster type ride in the dark that includes sharp turns, sudden drops, and stops. For a safe space flight, you should be in good health and free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated by this adventure. Expected mothers should not ride, and passengers do not need the minimum.
Okay, we're about to get on Space Mountain right now. I'm gonna record us riding it.
My eyes were really open just
Space Shuttle, this is Flight Safety.
And cut. There's the castle, folks. It's all in paint job.
Feel free to join in anytime. I will love where mummies and dads drink up to me, buddies. Yo ho, yo ho.
You guys a guess as to what we're doing next. about to get on the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I'm in the back row. Hold on. Oh, jeez. What smooth. I can't see. Writing and cut. Hey guys, we are about to get on a jungle cruise. I'll try to film some of this. I'm too afraid to drop my phone on the other guys. Ducks.
That brings us to the Nile River. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. It's on for 4,000 miles. That's Nile after Nile after Nile. Next to me, Dr. Albert. Dr. Albert, what's his name? Oh, of course, Dr. Albert Ball. Well, then later, he died, but right now I need everybody to lean in. I don't want to fall into the ball. There we go. Whoa. That was close. Now, people have asked me, how did I wind up here? Well, it turns out, I wrote a plane resume.
The other side of the plane from the Great Movie Ride, I think.
Right here. Been winging it ever. Ready for this. Here we go. This is the 8th wonder of the world. Here it is. The world famous backside of water. Very famous. Very special. You'll always remember today because of the backside of water. Very special. That brings us to the Mekong River, deep in Cambodia. We're going to be really careful here. Watch out. We have one playful one right here. You cut that out. You stay down. We have another one right here. You stay down. Don't come back. Right about there.
We are now sitting outside of Adventureland. We just finished some Dole Whip and ice cream. I think we're going to go walk through the Emporium and then probably head back to the hotel. Look at the Mickey pumpkins. I love it. There's the castle. Castle in all its glory. So good as always. We're gonna just walk through the Emporium and call it a night. Okay, we just walked through the Emporium, for which there was a line to get into. And we are going to be heading out now. They're closed, I think.
They are?
I think so.
It's good to be back.
Skyliners are still running at 8 o'clock tonight. Made it back to the hotel. We're just going to go dip in the gift shop and then hit the room for the night. Alright, just went to the gift shop. I got a Caribbean Beach Banana Cabana shirt and a Skyliner shirt. And then there's the Riviera. So we are heading back to the room now because we are tired. So we're in building 45 here. This is our room. It's a corner unit. It's really, really nice. 4557. Here's the magic room. Say hi, y'all. So nice to be back in the room after a long day at the Magic Kingdom. This has been a